welcome back once again. It's your boy Chimes. If you are new to my channel, please do it to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, YouTube will notify you. Actually, in today's video, we are going to be doing arbitrage. Yeah, we're going to be doing arbitrage. We are going to be buying low on Hotbit, then we'll sell high on Trust Wallet. Yes, that's what we're going to do in this video. Now, let me go to my Hotbit. Let me show you the coin we are going to buy. Let me show you the coin. You are going to go to trade. If you have not registered, you need to register and verify yourself first. So for you to get this coin, you need to come to this global right here. Then you click on, you search for Kazo. Let me check the coin again. I just want to show you how to search for the coin. Okay, Kabosu. Okay, Kabosu. Okay, you can see the coin on global right here. So that's what you're going to do. If you just open it, you click on trade. If you open your Hotbit, you click on trade right here. Then you're going to see this interface, just like Binance. You're going to click up here. You're going to click up here to type in Kabosu. You can see it right here. You can see the coin right here. So you're going to click on it so that it will come up like this. So the amount of money we're using for this arbitrage is actually $500. That's the money we are going to be using, and this is the total of this coin we are going to be having. That is the total of this one we are going to be getting right here. So we're going to go over to Trust Wallet. Let me show you how to go about it right here. So as you can see, I'm on my Trust Wallet, and what I'm going to do is let me refresh. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to dApps right here and go to Pancake Swap, because we are going to be sending the money right here. Then we are going to swap it to USDT. We use USDT to buy the coin there, then send it over to Trust Wallet, then we swap it back. So I'm going to click on this BNB right here and search for this coin. Let me search for it. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see it right here. So let me click on it. Okay, as you can see, we are converting it to USDT. So I'm going to click on USDT. Then we are going to paste all that we bought. Okay, as you can see right here, look at what we'll be getting. You can see right here, we bought at $500. But if you look here right here, you will see that what we're having is $558.316. This is what we'll be getting right here. Now let's check our charges. Let's know how much they are going to charge us so that we'll know what to do. So let me cancel it and come over here. Let me go here and click on fund right here. Click on deposit. I click on this coin. So I'm going to check it. Okay, sorry, withdrawal. I click on withdrawal. I click on the coin. So you can see what they are going to be charging us. This is about 25. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 zeros. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to Trust Wallet, to my dApps, to Pancake Swap. Let's check how much it is going to give us. Let's check. This one is a coin. This one is a coin. This one is a coin. Okay, I click on it. This one is the USDT. I change it to USDT. Let's see how much they are going to charge us. So I'm going to put 25 and 0 into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's check. You can see right here that what are going to charge us is not up to $1 to send it over here. You can see right here, it's not up to $1. Even if we should, let's just say we made a mistake, let's include another 10. You can see, even if they are charging us $6, guys, $6, we are going to be making a profit of, let me put the exact coin, amount. We're going to be making a profit of, let's just say 50 USDT or $50 as profit. And Actually, this arbitrage is unlimited. You can do it 100 times in a day. You can do it 100 times in a day. Let's just say, let me go to my calculator. Let me go to my calculator right here. If you're getting 50 times, let's just say times let's just say times 30 days, times 30 days, look at what you'll be getting. Look at what you'll be getting. You'll be getting 1,500 USDT. Wow, this is actually profitable and it is what everybody can do. So guys, you guys should jump into this arbitrage opportunity and start making money for yourself. Actually, in my next video, all these updates, I will be making research and I will be showing you another update. So if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post video like this, YouTube will notify you and you can actually jump into it and start making money for yourself when it is working. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.